Most people don't know these secret smartphone tricks. Watch until the end, because number 5 will surprise you. Is your phone slow? Okay. Go to Settings Storage and clear your cache data. This deletes junk files without removing your photos or apps. It will make your phone much faster. Do this once a week for smooth performance. You don't need to download a screen recorder app. Just swipe down, look for screen recorder, and start recording instantly. It's perfect for tutorials or saving fun moments. Forgot a Wi-Fi password? Go to Settings Wi-Fi Save Networks. Tap the network, then Share. Use your fingerprint or PIN to reveal the password. If your battery dies too quickly, try this. Turn on Battery Saver Mode in Settings Battery. It reduces background activity and keeps your phone alive longer. Here's a cool secret code. Type *#06# on your phone's dialer to see your IMEI number. If your phone is ever lost or stolen, you can use this number to block it for safety. Which trick was your favorite? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing smartphone tips every week. Fast and energetic version. 0:10 to 1 o'clock. Is your phone slow?